Hi guys, this is Akin here. You're welcome to Living with Tech. Today we're going to be doing a very short video on how you can calibrate the IMU and the compass of the DJI Mini SE. So first, before you start on calibration, ensure you first of all remove the gimbal protective cover. Very important you have that removed first, because you don't want to power it on while the cap is still in place. Okay, and after that is done, you can power on. So first of all, you power on your RC, and also power on your DJI Mini. Okay, so we will now go to now you would go to your DJI Fly app. So right now it's connected. Gimbal stock. If you have this error like I'm having right here, you can first of all do a power cycle, and that usually clears the gimbal stock error. So let's give it a try out now. Okay, now I power cycle the DJI Mini SE. As you can see, the gimbal stock alarm is gone. So that's just more like a quick a quick troubleshooting tips. If you have that, you do not need to worry yourself. Just do a power cycle and you're pretty much in good shape. So now to do the first calibration, you click on the three dots on your Fly app menu, and then you go to safety. Under safety, you can see here sensors. So first of all, the first one you would want to calibrate is the IMU. Normally when you buy the DJI and you receive it and you open the box out of the box, the first task the DJI would recommend you do is the calibration of the sensors. So once you bring it out of the box, the first thing you do is to calibrate the IMU, calibrate the compass, and when you're done, without that the drone will not even take off. So I recommend you do this like every time before you fly.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I personally don't do it, but if you want to do it, yeah, you can do it. It's recommended you do it before it flies. Okay, so we're going to do the IMU calibration now. So you click on calibrate. Okay, so you can see some of the instructions on the screen. Place your aircraft on a level surface. Calibrate the aircraft as shown. Only move the aircraft when prompted by instructions, and keep the aircraft powered on and avoid starting the motors. So obviously you'd want to not start the motors like this, because you can see the arms are still not extended out, and you probably destroy your motors if you try to start it. So please take note. So let's start. So the first thing is to place it on a flat and a dry surface, which is already done nicely. So the next step is, now we're gonna so the next step now, we're going to lie the drone on the side as shown. Okay, and now we are done. So we now have to move it to the other side. place it facing the other side, on the side of the other side, on the side of the other side. Yeah. Okay, now we'll place, now you move the drone, take the drone facing up. And now we'll place the drone facing with the belly up. Great. So after that is done, the DJI Mini SE would do a restart, and after the restart is done, you can see calibration is successful. So the drone will restart, and now your IMU is fully calibrated. So now the next we would do is the compass normal calibration. So to do this, first of all, okay, I'm going to click on it, click on calibrate. So you see some of the instructions. So the first thing you need to do, keep clear for metal objects. Obviously, you know, magnets and stuff can create interference. Electrical charge, ensure there's a distance between aircraft and the ground around 1.5 meters. Yeah. Keep the aircraft powered on and avoid starting the motors. Okay, so the first thing we need to do right now is that we need to extend the arms of the drone. So as you know already, first this one out and this one is down, up. Same thing here, out and down, up. So you extend out the drone. Perfect. Okay, so now let's start. The first action you do is to rotate the drone at 360 degrees horizontally. So let's do it this way. Okay. And now the next step now is to rotate the aircraft 360 degrees vertically. So now we have the IMU and the compass calibration completed successfully, and now you're good to fly. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.